seniors, there's one common natural practice that can quietly stop those nightly bathroom drips. No medications, no devices, no side effects, say just a soothing 3-minute ritual before bed. If you often wake up once, twice, or even several times during the night to use the bathroom, know this. It's not simply a minor annoyance, it's your body asking for balance, or harmony, and this gentle bedtime ritual may be exactly what you've been searching for. Let me walk you through it slowly because I understand you've tried nearly everything. You have stopped drinking water after dinner, given up your evening tea or coffee, and even gone to bed earlier. And still, night after night, the same pattern repeats. You wake up to that quiet urge. No pain, just a subtle, insistent pressure. You get up, make your way down the hall half awake, return to bed a broken bar, and that's when frustration creeps in. You toss, you turn, your mind won't quiet, and sleep doesn't return as easily as it left. By morning, you're still tired, not only in your body, but in your spirit. You might have convinced yourself that this is just part of getting older, that it's inevitable. But what if it isn't? What if this habit can be changed? Naturally and gently. Stay with me for a few minutes, because I'll show you a little-known method that involves massaging one simple point on your body for just 3 minutes. This touch can calm your bladder, quiet your nervous system, and bring back deep, restorative sleep. And don't miss the last part, that's where I'll explain why this ritual helps older adults rest through the night, night after night. Here's what many don't realize: the reason you wake up isn't always because your bladder is actually full. Often, it's because of mixed signals from your nervous system. As we age, the nerves that communicate with the bladder become more sensitive. They misfire, sending urgent messages to your brain even when there's very little urine inside. It's like your body is sounding a false alarm, and every time that happens, it pulls you out of deep sleep, the stage your body desperately needs to heal, restore, and balance itself. This stage is when your memory strengthens, your heart rate stabilizes, and your body performs quiet maintenance on your cells. Without it, you wake up groggy, unfocused, or even achy. But here's the hopeful part: you can retrain this communication system. You can calm the nervous system, reduce false alarms, and it starts with your own 2 hands. The method centers on a special point just below your navel, about 3 fingers down from the belly button, in the middle of your lower abdomen. In traditional Eastern medicine, it's called the Zhengji point. In modern science, it's connected to the vagus nerve, the main nerve of the parasympathetic system, which signals to your brain that it's time to rest and recover. Here's how you can use it. Before bed, find a quiet space with soft, warm lighting. Sit up or lie down in a comfortable position. Rub your palms together for a few seconds until they feel warm, as if you're preparing for prayer. Then gently place your hands over your lower belly. Begin to move your hand in slow, gentle circles clockwise, as though you're tracing the motion of a peaceful clock. 1 slow circle per second. Don't press hard. Don't rush. Let your movement feel soft and kind, the way you might soothe a child who needs comfort. Continue for about 3 minutes, and as you do, breathe deeply in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let each breath whisper to your body, "You are safe now. It's time to rest." So why does this work? Research from South Korea and Japan has shown that massaging this exact area can reduce nighttime urination by 30 to 40% among older adults. Sleep quality improves, anxiety decreases, and the body signals to the bladder become calmer and more accurate. Even medical centers like the Mayo Clinic recognize gentle abdominal massage as a supportive therapy for overactive bladder, especially for seniors who wish to avoid drug side effects. This isn't folklore, it's a meeting point between science and ancient wisdom. But perhaps most importantly, it's an act of care, a care that comes from you, from your own hands, the same kind of care our ancestors once used instinctively, long before science gave it a name. Let me share the story of Ellen, a 75-year-old woman from the English countryside. For years, she woke up 3 times a night. It had become her normal. When she heard about this ritual, she decided to try it, though she wasn't expecting miracles, only a bit of hope. After 4 nights, she was waking up just once. By the end of the week, she slept through the night for the first time in decades. Not because of a pill, but because she gave her body gentle attention. Now she says something that stays with me. I still wake up early, but it's by choice. Not because my bladder tells me to. There are a few small but important details to remember. Don't perform this massage right after eating. Give your food at least 30 minutes to settle. The best time is right before bed, after you've completed your evening routine. You can sit comfortably on your bed or lie down with a small cushion under your knees for support. Make sure the room is peaceful, a soft light, quiet atmosphere, perhaps calming music if you wish. As you breathe, feel your whole body begin to soften and let go of the day's tension. This isn't a trick, nor gimmick. It's a nightly promise, 3 minutes of reconnection between you and your body. A moment to tell yourself, you are safe, you are cared for, you are home. So tonight, before you drift to sleep, give yourself this gift, because restful sleep is not a privilege, it's a necessity, the medicine your body gives itself when you allow it. You deserve to sleep through the night, without interruptions, without that cold hallway walk in the dark. Try this ritual tonight. And if you wake in the morning feeling peaceful and restored, share your experience. Even write the word restored in the comments. That single word carries power. And if you know someone else who wakes too often at night, share this with them too. You might be giving them the one small thing that changes their nights and their days for the better. This isn't just health advice. It's an invitation to take your rest back, to return to your rhythm, to trust your body again. You don't need expensive treatments, machines, or magic formulas. You already have everything you need: warm hands, quiet time, and a peaceful heart. These are the tools that heal. This is wisdom that has endured for generations. And we're here to remind you. You're not just aging, you're still growing. Still capable of peace, balance, and renewal. Each night can be a return, not to restlessness, but to restoration. Let your evenings become sacred moments of calm. Breathe, touch, soften, and let your body remember what it means to rest deeply. That is the real secret. That is the golden advice for a life not just longer, but calmer, steadier, and truly alive.